Good morning. It is raining, and I am at the tiny home. Yeah, we do have a tiny home on the property where me and the kiddos sleep. Um, it is just coming down, but I've got to get breakfast for the kiddos, so that's what we're doing. So, oh, shit. The little kitties are following me too in the rain. Okay. Hold on. Come here. Alright, this is one of them. Yeah. Yep, I guess I won't be getting much work done on that roof today. Can't really do it in the rain. Alright, I just wanted to check in with you guys. I did manage to get, oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. 3 posts prepared, and 2 of them up. And I don't think I'm going to make my Thanksgiving deadline, that's for sure. My daughter, though, she's amazing. She cooked Easter dinner. Ham, macaroni and cheese casserole, green bean casserole. I mean, she cooked all that on a fire. Oh, right. I was going to see if I could, snag some coffee, too. Can't make any this morning, but I might have a little bit left in my pot. Alrighty then. Sorry about that. Yeah, it's really coming down. Well, I mean, it's come down a lot worse than this before. We do have an antique stove up here that we converted to propane, so. Oh, yay, there is a little bit of coffee left. Here comes some thunder, beware. Well, maybe not. Oh, no, there it is. I did tell you we were on the top of a mountain. So, yeah, it gets a bit loud. Alright, I got a little bit of coffee left. That's fantastic. Love my coffee in the morning. Get the kiddos some Pop-Tarts. Alrighty, make sure everything's closed up. Don't want any of our food getting wet after all. Was going to bring them down some milk, but my hands are a little bit full. Besides, if I get the milk, the cats are going to go haywire. Ooh, yep. We got some rain today. And the sun ain't supposed to come out all day. It is supposed to stop raining much later, but I'm pretty sure with as much rain as it is right now, well, probably won't be able to do much work today. So I'll probably be working on a diamond painting or something like that in the tiny home with the kiddos. Start their school early today as opposed to later. We homeschool, by the way. And we usually do school on the devices. And of course, there's, grandma's school, how to use tools, how to build a fire, what's safe. And then mom and dad are pretty good teachers. So there's a science factor and the math factor. All right, guys. I am back down to the tiny home. And I'm going to let you go for now. It's a little cold. Whew. And very wet. All right. We'll see you next time. Here, let me give you an overview. You see the back of me. Well, I don't think you can see much, but hey, yeah. Alright, toodaloo, guys.